Dave from Newmac Equipment, and I'm just doing a short video of the panel saw that we've got for sale at the moment. So the machine has got two blades. So it's got a normal cutting blade, and I think it's called a scribing blade. You can see both of those. I'll just start up both of the blades. So the first one, okay, and then the scribing blade, hear that? So that's them both running. That's turned off. Okay, now I'll do a quick walk around. You see the table slides backwards and forwards. Now there, let's move it back. I'll do a bit of a walk around. Now, the table which is sitting on the floor does set up with that measuring arm. I think I took some photos of that in the past, but that actually comes across, and this part slides. I think that part slides up and down in there. Okay, I'll just walk around. Housing for, okay. I will adjust the position of the fence, but it's a bit awkward trying to film and do that at the same time, so I'll just pause. Okay, so I've moved the fence along, and I think if I just show you, you can micro adjust the position with that knob, backwards and forwards. So you can see how that works. The scribing blade can be adjusted. There's two holes in the table. I think if I put that tool in there, you'll see that the blade, if I get it the right way, the blade moves across, so that helps it to line up with the main blade. And I believe there's the other side. You can see what I'm doing. That adjusts it up and down. So that all works. Okay, so the machine has two handles, one on the front. I think that adjusts the angle of the blade. You can see that's canting over. I'll just take it back to zero. And there's a little scale there that shows you what angle you're at. And so back to zero. Okay, and then on the side here, another handle. Whoops. And on the side here is another handle. And that, if I wind it, you can see the main blade going up and down. So that all works well.